Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out this other brow item. Is from NYX, and it is the Thickening Brow Mascara. So this is it right here. I picked it up from Ulta just a few minutes ago. So today I came on camera. I do have powder on and my brows, of course, which I did with a pencil from, I believe it's a Wet n Wild. It's like their little cheapest, super thin brow pencil. So anyways, when I went at Ulta, I swatched. They had a black and then they had espresso, and the black to me was just too dark. So I went ahead and got the espresso, and I literally just left Ulta. So I'm at the salon now. Y'all gonna watch me take off a brow. And if it's ugly, I'm just gonna have ugly brows, okay? So I'm not gonna take off both. I'm probably just gonna take off this one because I have a client coming in a few minutes. So I'm gonna just wipe this off real quick. I'm gonna try to make this as quick as possible. So I'm gonna wipe this off. There we go. Yeah, I'm scared because if this is ugly, I'm about to be ugly browed. Okay, so this is the package that it comes in. I'm gonna read the instructions because I went on YouTube and I found a few people, but I didn't really see anybody that had like sparse brows like mine. So I'm kind of interested to see how this works on sparse brows. I saw a lot of people with like naturally pretty brows. So for them, I feel like you can do almost anything. Their brows are gonna look good. So let me see. Real quick, guys, just want to let you know that my store, Parker J's Beauty or Parker J's Hair Care, is having a sale right now. Go ahead and check us out at parkerjsbeauty.com. We have handcrafted hair, skin, and nail products. parkerjsbeauty.com. Use Mila to save on your purchase. So like I said, this is the color Espresso. And does it have directions? All right, I don't know. I saw a girl on YouTube. She went backwards and then forwards. So I'm gonna try her method because she was like the closest thing to somebody having sparse brows, but she didn't have sparse brows. Oh, she has some nice shape to me. But this is the container. And this is what it looks like. Y'all can see that. This is the applicator. So it does have fibers in it. And let's see. I'm gonna stick it back in here and try one more time. So on her video, let me make sure I'm where y'all can see me because my mirror's over there. So in her video, she went backwards. Y'all, I'm in the most awkward position. There we go. She went a little backwards first. I don't know if this was like her way of filling it in, but we gonna try her way. If it don't work, we'll go another way. So backwards, I'm gonna do 2 coats. And then I saw her kind of feather it through like this. So I'm trying to keep like as close to my natural brow shape as possible because I don't want to have to clean up anything because like I said, I am very ill prepared. Only thing I have with me today is myself. I see like a little dot there. I don't know if I should dry it between coats or keep going. Let's keep going, I don't know. So, I don't know. Do I have a mirror in here? I'll get y'all up close and personal. I'm gonna go look at my mirror real quick so I can see what it's looking like. I'm not gonna touch it though. Just get a little closer. Okay, so this is, I kind of like it because I do like the hair look, but I don't really see how I could get this to look more filled because right here I really don't have that much hair. So I'm gonna try to put like a little bit more. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit. Let me see. It's relatively dry. I'm gonna try to add some more to like my tail area and see if I can make it look fuller because I don't know, y'all. Let me get closer. Let me get in my weird position again. There we go. My mirror is so far away. I think this with a pencil probably is beautiful, but I don't know about by itself. So you know what I'm gonna do? Since I already got my other brow done, I think I'm gonna put it on the brow that's done, like how I normally would do my brows, and see if it makes a difference. But I really do like the hair-like approach. Let me get closer. But I just don't like the fact that I don't have as much like control of my line and the definition of the actual arch. I'm gonna add one more coat, y'all. Let me add one more coat. I keep saying I'm done, but I'm not. I don't want to give up on this product because I spent my money on it and I want it to work. Let's see. I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna put some on this eye, and then I'm gonna see what's what. Let me get in a good position. Can y'all see? And like normally when I use a brow gel to set my brows, which I did not say, I literally did these in the parking lot. Normally I use a transparent brow gel, the one from Maybelline. It's like a clear looking mascara to set my brows. So I didn't use that today. So let's see. I like it. I like it. I think more on this eye just because it looks natural, but I don't like the fact that I don't have control over the shape or like the sparse areas. Versus on this side, I like that it just gives it a little bit more hair-like, so a little bit more natural. But that's kind of like, I don't know, when I saw the product, I was thinking like, ooh, maybe this is like a all-in-one. And to me, this is more work. And if you watch my channel, you know that I'm like the type of girl that just get up and go. Put a little moisturizer, lip gloss, and my brows, and that's it. So time-wise, I don't really feel like this saves me any time because I'm probably not going to go somewhere with my brows looking like this. I would want to shape them a little bit better, which means I'm going to end up doing this, which is double work. And for those y'all who do watch my channel, I did have an appointment. It was back in March to get my brows ombre powder brow, but it was the same, was it March, May? One of them, March. The same week that I had my appointment was the same week our house went on the market and things got crazy. So I ended up postponing my schedule or my appointment. So I am going to go back. I just have not selected a date, but that is still something I want to do because I really want to have a more permanent solution for my brows. So anyways, I'm going to leave this video. Let me know which brow you like better. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you tried this product, and then I will see y'all soon. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Bye.